the 911 is just the best sports car there is. It always sets the benchmark. It just keeps getting better and better.
We didn't want to do a static unveil, we wanted dynamic so that everyone in the world and all the fans can see the car live.
You can smell motorsports, you can smell fuel, tires, brakes.
I think it's just a perfect location to do something like this. The look of the new 911 RSR is just phenomenal. So much attention to detail, especially on the aerodynamic side.
Porsche, the reigning manufacturers, champions.
A successful endurance racing car, you need a lot of parameters. It must be reliable and also really constant over stints, and that's what we worked on. 95% of the parts are brand new.
It's got better drivability, it's got a wider rev range, it's got two exhausts that exit in front of the rear wheels to save weight.
In 2017 we started from a white piece of paper. It's really a team effort, and the result is there today.
Really inspiring seeing all the history of motor racing from the beginning to where we are now. Also seeing some of the future with presenting the 911 RSR. I'm pretty sure that the new 911 RSR will be just as successful as the old one. It's an amazing event, and launching a new car here just is a perfect fit, I think.